We are attacking the weeds at First Avenue. Whoops, zoom. That's the weed. As you can see, a red thing is coming up on the left-hand side, blinking.
That means it's recording.
Oh, okay. Looking at this thing.
We can do little snippets too. That way it doesn't take up as much memory on the
Yep.
send it.
Okay.
The mighty weed warrior.
The mighty weed warrior we are attacking. Today is attack day. We have already gotten some of them out, but there are still plenty to go, as you can see. This is the front yard at First Avenue South, Minneapolis. As you can see, there are some flowers that are already starting to bloom. I always tell Bill to go slow. Now I'm probably going too fast. Who knows? We won't know until we see what we see.
I would stop it, Mom.